Hello, my name is Justin Lee, and this is Enhancement 3 for CIT 336. This week we're going to create a couple new pages and to make sure that they all work properly. First off, I'm going to validate the local CSS. I'll only do this once because all of them pull off the same CSS file, so I only need to do it once. You can see that there's no errors found in the CSS. We'll go back and check the local HTML for the index page. And you can see that there are no errors or warning for this page. We'll now go into the My Account, which is a new portion that I created. So this is the Acme login page. And so we'll check the HTML file here. And we can see that there are no errors or warnings for this page. And then the last page, if you're not a member, you go and click this button to create a new account, and it takes you to the Acme registration page. And so again, we'll go ahead and check the HTML file for errors. And we see that there are no errors or warnings. So this is my Enhancement 3 videos with the new pages. Thank you.